Good morning, my dear student. This is your drawing book. Today we are going to coloring. Okay, today is our drawing book. So please open page number 6, parrot. Okay, so take a light green color and color it. So this color is completed. यहाँ पे आपको करना है. Okay. Okay. Now next is dark. Color it. Okay. Now next color is red color. Red. Okay.